Extinction originated from the concept of fires and lights. It was also figuratively used to describe complete annihilation of one's personal fortune and wealth or some other sense of status. But what it means today is something far more sinister: the death and disappearance of a species. 0. Extinction can be a bit of a tricky diagnosis. When one species is concluded to be extinct, one of said species has probably never been sighted in years, so it might have died out just in those exact years ago. In some lucky instances, we discover a small group of them years later and gladly mark an X on a previous, possibly impulsive diagnosis. Sometimes creatures are kept in captivity just so we can have them stay on Earth a little longer and have a slow, lonely, uninterrupted death, or even to have higher chances of giving birth and alleviating death's cursed mark on the species in question. Regardless, extinction happens, and it is how we take it that determines how human beings evolve as a pondering species. For example, the way I originally described extinction as a sinister event can be left to be interpreted as that, and nothing more. But that, in my opinion, would be a disservice to the creature. I'd recommend identifying the exciting enigmatic properties that the death of a species and the birth of a newborn baby share. After all, both can be explained with reason. More importantly, steps can be taken, at our own luxury, to prevent future extinctions from taking place. However, my words here once again can easily be twisted to start a campaign to reduce the carbon footprint, for instance, with no reasoning, but just feelings. And I would like to encourage people to refrain from banking on feelings to save lives, for they are the most inefficient way of doing so, and often turn out to be misguided and even useless at times.